today we're having a little fun time working on this 1969 Beetle. We're going to take this pan, we're going to put it under this body, and we're going to get this body off the dolly. I got Tyler helping me here today. And Tyler is on loan from a friend of mine. Trying to teach him a little bit about how to work with hand tools, how to be a man.
Man should wax a car.
Yeah. What do you think so far?
I've never had so much grime on my hands.
Show me your hands.
Look at
Let me see the other side. You think that's dirty?
No, it's not even close to dirty, but
I still have grime on me from days ago.
that is true. That's because you don't shower properly.
That's right. Well, what I've done here inside of this Beetle is I replaced the heater channels the whole way around. I fixed the corners in the back here. Right up here, there was holes in here that I could have put my head through them, they were so big. This corner also has been all rebuilt. Up front, I also fixed up the corners in there. And on the outside, I fixed up under here where the heater channel mounts to the body, because that had a few holes in it. The driver's side was even worse. The driver's side over here, there was a big hole in here. I had to replace a section of that. And there was a huge section here out of the bottom of the A-pillar where the door attaches. It rusted all the way through to this side. It came all the way around here. So the bottom of this pillar has been almost completely replaced. The back side here also had some trouble. I fixed that. It's also in good order now. And the door closes like it's supposed to. Before, the door was falling down because the entire car was bending in half. It was spreading open on the bottom from the way that I've got it set up here on the dolly. So Tyler right now has helped me put the fender bolts in. I ran around with a tap and ran it through here to chase the threads to make sure they're all nice and clean. So for him, the threads are going in real nice and easy, aren't they?
No.
No.
Most of them are doing pretty well.
Yeah, they should be doing just fine, I think. I think you'll be all right. So this is coming along today. One of the last tasks that I have to do is one of the bolts broke off where the body attaches to the floor pan right here up on the shock tower. This one snapped off. So I'm going to hit it with the grinder and grind it off flush, drill a new hole, tap it, and run a fresh bolt through it. Look who just joined us. It'll be Wild Bill himself. That's it. He's in his coveralls and everything. He was planning on getting dirty.
Yeah,
what you been working on today?
Cleaning up the porch.
Porch?
Yeah, getting rid of unnecessary Volkswagen items and
There's no such thing.
paraphernalia. Oh, it was garbage.
Oh, it was garbage. If it's unnecessary Volkswagen, no such thing.
No, there is none.
Well, let me show you where. That's Tyler, by the way. You might have met Tyler before at Pensacruise. He was at Tyler Cruise. There he goes, Tyler Cruise. He's Kristen's son.
Oh, cool. Excellent, excellent.
So we're teaching him how to use hand tools today.
Let me see your hands. Yeah.
Yeah, he's getting there.
Oh,
I'm
no.
dirtier than he
No,
is.
this is hand tools when you got scars all over your hands.
Yeah, I got him too.
Yeah.
Well, let me show you where we're
And
going.
you just keep going working with the blood flowing, and it mixes with the oil.
Yeah, that was earlier. I nicked it.
It's almost like sexual.
Oh,
Nice. Nice.
there we are.
tires.
Yep.
Hey, Boomer.
Boomer and Skeeter's birthday today. And I see Tyler threw my hammer on that ground over there. Tyler,
Oh my God.
what are you doing, Tyler?
Proper use of hand tools. Yeah,
Oh, you broke my hammer?
You did that.
I did that.
Yes, you did that.
Ow, her? Him, maybe.
Hey, asshole. You want to pick you up by your nostrils?
You should. Oh, he just went after you. He missed it. As soon as you turn around, he went after you.
If you turn your back on animals.
Oh yeah, him especially. Well, anyway, look what we got. It's already up on the lift. It's already balanced and just got to go up a little bit higher, pull the dolly out,
Man,
and
you
push
could
the
get in
body
there
under.
and rock you back and forth. It look like you're actually going down the street just like in Hollywood.
It'd be a good video, wouldn't it? Well, anyway,
You're up there.
really get it a little higher. We're gonna slide the dolly out, push the pan under, and drop it back down. As I was telling you, I usually do these alone. That cherry picker worked out beautifully for this type of task. I don't remember where I got the idea from, but it's not mine. But I did make some modifications to make it mine. Hop around the other side there, Tyler.
Would you believe that?
Other side. Other side. Good job, Tyler. So anyway, it's ready to go down. You see all the work I did to it. I replaced the heater channels on there.
I saw the 415 on there too. That's good.
415? Oh no, that's Rust-Oleum.
Yeah.
No, it's Rust-Oleum. TR15 has a problem with not liking the sun. But he's gonna paint over all that anyway. So he's got a body man that's actually gonna do all the paint work. He just wanted me to do the heater channels and all the patchwork where they attach.
This is here.
No. Well, unless I make him an offer.
I can't review.
He got it for nothing, so he's
I like
into it only for what he's paying me at this point.
I think it's good.
But going up, I've got it balanced, and this method worked out pretty good. It's the only time that I've ever got it completely balanced with the doors still on. Of course, the front end does that. Usually I put it right in the arm clip here by the Beetle without the doors on, and I did the oval the same way. I was worried about the roof chop. I was wondering how strong the roof still is. We're going to have you start pulling that dolly out. Grab the corner of it and go straight back. Alright, I'm going to have to lift over that. Goes a lot faster to help. What you can do this alone. Yeah, don't run the girl over.
Nah, I saw it. Don't worry.
In fact, take it and go that way with it. Go right around the pool. Almost done. Tyler was like, this is going to be hard. That wasn't.
You gonna put a seal on it?
Oh, shit. Thank you for reminding me.
Okay. I gotta wait till you got it all the way down.
Yeah, I got to put the seal on it. Damn it. Completely forgot
I'm
about
gonna
it.
go.
Well, anyway, let's do this. You ready?
Falling asleep.
Good girl. I'm going to move you, though, so you don't get stomped on. Okay. Yeah, you're a ducky doodle. Yeah, squeaking the camera. Go ahead. Bark. Say something. Faces the microphone.
There you go.
Oh, that was a good one.
Let's get this commode on the roof.
Commode.
On the roof.
He didn't do nothing to you. I think the chassis needs to come a little bit this way. I think we're pretty good. Let's let it down slowly and see where she lines up. Hands gotta go backwards a little bit. That was too much. All right, going down again. Hi, you. Going down. There we go. Now we just got to get the tail end to line up, and I think we'll be okay. I think it's on. Oh yeah, it's on. We're good. Hell yeah. Rock and roll. Sounds like you. You know, Skeeter, you puking? Alright, Tyler, that 2x4 that you put in there needs to come back out. Excellent.
Where did you get that weird looking creature?
This? Rudy, actually. Rudy's neighbor gave it to him. It's just cherry picking up like a V8 engine out of a Mustang or something, and Rudy had no need for it. When I saw it, I was like, oh, I could lift bodies with those. He goes, get it out of my garage.
What are you doing?
Helping Rudy.
Helping Rudy. Yeah, helping Rudy unstrap my car.
Yeah. We've got the body on the Beetle. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now let's see how the doors work. Needs to be tweaked a little bit, but I had a feeling it was going to be a little tweaked. The body's laying properly flat now. That looks good.
Yeah, you're good to go on that.
I think that looks good though. I mean, that's great. Just to look inside of it and not see rust anymore. In fact, see shiny. It's a shame it got so dirty because it was so brilliantly shiny.
Yeah, you still got to bolt it up to get that air gap out.
Yep. That would be Tyler's job.
Good.
Without any weight in it, it sits up nice and tall, so it's pretty easy to get under it. Put it up on the pavement over here, give him his Mexican creeper, and let him have at it.
No offense, Carlos,
Carlos?
if he's listening.
Carlos is no Mexican. Carlos's girlfriend's mom, they're trying to set up with me because we're the same age group. And I said to Carlos's girlfriend, Jordan, I said, it's okay. I won't make you call me Dad. She's like, I won't ever call you Dad. And I looked at Carlos, and I said to Carlos, now you're my stupid son-in-law.
You showed that ass.
And anyway, I didn't say it. I probably should have. And I'm going to record this because I'm going to say it now. But I should have said, I don't want my daughter dating no Mexican. He's not even a Mexican, which would make it even funnier.
That is funny.
Wow, this thing's sitting up so high. Let's get the steering coupler set up first so we can push it into position over here.
Yeah.
That thing is
Spin
so
on the steering
high.
wheel right now, isn't it?
Yeah, it's spinning free right now.
Damn, that thing is jacked up.
Yeah, it's really high. My 65 was that way too when I put the body back on it, and it never really settled, which is what was weird.
Well, you got to bulk the pan up and
It'll come down a little, but not too much, but some. I mean, it is. Well, it's not really down all the way yet either. Oh, it's sitting. No, it's not sitting on there. What is it up on? It's actually not quite down all the way.
The horn. No, got it out of the way.
Yeah, I pulled it up. It's not sitting on a steering column. It might be the Napoleon's hat then.
Maybe.
There was a lot of welding and repairs that I did in there, so it could be a little tweaked.
Okay.
In which case, when you crank it down, it'll go straight.
I'm out of here.
See you later, Mr. Tyler.
Yep, see ya.
Bye, Wild Bill.